So you want to combine two direction or position. That's what vector plus vector does. Now it's a very simple basic node, but it's highly useful. How? I'm gonna tell you in a sec. But for now, how to get it? Just drag a pin from a vector pin and type plus, and it will show you add. You can also type in add, and you will get this node. Now by default, you get two input places like this, and you can add as many pin as you like. For now, we don't need as many. We only need three, and we already have it there. So I'm taking the get actor location, and then I'm adding 100 in Z offset and 100 in Y offset. And every 2 seconds, it will set actor to a new location by getting its current location and adding these two values in Y and Z. We are leaving X to 0, and you can either sweep or not. We will just leave it as it is, and this is our small node to demonstrate how it is useful. Now when I play button, and you will see every 2 seconds it will climb like this. Now it's useful when movement or offset stack together. Imagine a player moving forward but also being pushed by wind. Adding those vector gives the true motion, and it's also useful in knockback effect, blending input direction, or placing object relative to a character and their camera at the same time. So it's highly useful node, and I think you should experiment it on your own to see where it fits in your game. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.